Okay, here is a Comfortmaker central air conditioning unit running. Just gotten to see it starting up. This unit is a 5-ton from 2025. This unit has a couple and scroll compressor. But yeah, just got it starting up. Had a nice startup sound. This unit's pretty quiet. Compressor sounds nice. And yeah, this is a Comfortmaker unit. Suction line is pretty ice cold and somewhat sweaty. This unit seems to be working great. Has a broad ocean fan motor. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial building here in Iowa City that I've filmed at lots of times before. And last summer, this unit actually replaced a 1990s Arcoaire 9000 unit. And both these Comfortmaker SoftSounds are also running. This one has a slow fan for some reason. And this unit has R454B refrigerant. This is a E12 unit. But yeah, this unit seems to be working great. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit starting up and running.